Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These tahini cookies are simply unique and delicious with their perfect nutty flavor. Everyone I've made these cookies for just loves them and thinks that they are store-bought. Yes, it's hard to make them believe that I baked them. Give these cookies a try and you'll see what I mean. So, here's how to prepare them. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of ground hazelnuts or walnuts, and 200 ml of tahini. Keep mixing until all the ingredients well combined. In another bowl, mix together 125 grams of butter, half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 egg yolk, 120 ml of oil, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and about 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. It's better to add the flour gradually while kneading. Continue adding flour and kneading until you have a soft-to-touch dough. Line your countertop with cling film. Take some dough and roll it into a long cylinder shape. Then work the dough firmly, pressing it with your fingers to widen it slightly. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Well, you can also place the dough between 2 sheets of cling film to keep the dough from sticking to the rolling pin as it's rolled out, but this is totally up to you. If the dough becomes a bit uneven at the edges, just cut the dough away. Use it the next time, of course. Because it's important to have the perfect rectangle shape if you want each cookie to have exactly the same shape and size in the end. Spread the hazelnut tahini mix on the dough in an even layer. Then roll the dough with the help of the cling film and unite the edges. Cut the roll diagonally into about 3 cm thick pieces. Continue to do this until all the dough is used up. Line an oven tray with parchment paper and place the cookies onto the tray. Bake at 180 degrees in a preheated oven until the cookies are just very slightly colored on top. Sprinkle with powdered sugar when the cookies are cool. Hazelnut tahini cookies are ready to serve. You will have about 35 cookies with these ingredients. Enjoy the cookies! I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below, so please do leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching!